Hello everyone, Fisher Boy here. I'm about to do an unboxing of this BT intercom helmet for motorcycles and cyclists or whatever. Well, everyone keeps on going on about them, and I went and bought my one off Amazon for £30 odd, and I've already opened this, by the way. There we go. And it's inside the box. Manual. Yeah, very good. There it is. I've already played around with this and everything outside my helmet, and bloody hell, these little speakers go damn loud. But I'm not too sure about the big foamy bit. Need to check how that goes in my helmet. How's that going to fit? Not too bad. I can hear it with my lips. Oh well. At least I've actually got one now, and I'm about to go and try it out. This is one thing. I've got another thing coming along, which I'll show you, unbox as well. Yeah, it's a very good charging system, I've got to say, on this. It's also, don't know if you can see on here. Well, it's already cracked. Oh, yeah, good charger, but I've already bloody cracked it. Bloody good, ain't it? Yeah, there's a little green light, and when you charge it, it turns orange, and when it's fully charged, it turns back to green. Better do something about that then. I haven't even had it that long, and look at that. It's already bloody cracked. Well, saying that, these are dime a dozen, aren't they? Oh well. Because you've got the Bluetooth headset, charger cable, headphones and mic. You get 4 sticky pads with this. Weird screwdriver. This head mount, helmet mount, and the sticky back Velcro one. I want to use this one. I don't want to use that one. But if I've got to use it, I'll use it. Yeah, this locks in very well. I was looking at it. You put it in there like that, and you slide it back over that way, and push it down. Very good locking system, I'll give it that. Very good. I'll put it in upside down, that's clever. Be helpful, put it in the right way. Yeah. First time doing this video. I'll push it back over that way and slide it down. Press that button. It's on. Pretty good, lad. Yeah, so like I said, I've already had it out the helmet and been playing around with it. Just out of the helmet, and it's not that bad. You off? Yeah, you're off. Yeah, so I'll give you my feedback in a couple of weeks. I want to try and use it a couple of times while I'm out and about. So, see you in the next video. Ta-da!